Hello lattes. Shout out to my friend PL's go sub to her. This
My friend
is her
in
new
a comment
channel
asked
for a tutorial. So let's go 3. For edit you can use 9:16 or 1:1, which I personally prefer. Also, you can change the background to whatever you want. Now let's get to editing. Put the parts you want to edit. For this, go to Media. The dot you see is called a pivot point. You need to move its pivot point to make the part move. Click the 4 arrows again so you can move the pivot point. If you have 2 legs on the same layer, do not put it on one leg, or it's gonna be like this. Instead, put it in the middle. You can also name the layers if you want to, which I do recommend. BTW, I'm making a Robloxian. This is the torso. Adding in other parts. Just like the legs, you will need to move the pivot point. Now you have a base. Emma put the parts together. Now you can parent layers using parenting. Now to do this, you need to click on a layer, and in top, naming other layers. No clue what I was doing here. Okay, now that you have a base, you can parent the layers. I'm moving the parts so I can parent them. The arms need to be connected to the torso, the legs connected to the torso, and the torso connected to the head. Optional. Remember, you don't have to name the layers, but then again, I do recommend
playing.
it. On to the
Do
parenting helper effect. To make it even better, you can add parenting helper. You can copy the effect and then paste it for the other layers. Make sure to keep all off layers unlocked except the head. Now for the head, you need to put the 2 tabs to normal. Cutely moves the body around. The arms need to be connected to the so the legs and the torso connected to the head. You should get this. You should get this. And for the torso, it can do this, basically like a ragdoll. Playing around for what reason? Put 2 key points, which are the rhombus, but 1 at the start and 1 at the end. Time for graphs and effects. Go to the start and move its spinning thing to whichever percentage you want it at. I chose 17, but you can choose whichever you want. 3. These are the graphs. This is the fast side, I think. And this is the slow side, I think. You don't have to have premium for this graph. You can just press it. This is the bounce graph. You can press this to swap it around. You can do the same for the other layers. You can also use effects. I use Scale Assist to make its head bounce. Emma also gonna add the bounce graph for this effect. Emma make the arm wave. Alright, I figured it out. Okay, I did it finally. Now for the other arm, Emma add the bounce graph too. Lol, sorry guys, I was having too much fun. Time for the torso Susiski. Where the heck is the squeeze effect? The reason why I want the squeeze effect is to make the Robloxian look like it's breathing. Skinny. Oh look, it's waving. Yay nor am not doing the legs, it doesn't need movement. BYE I hope this tutorial was helpful. D. You're gay.